class student. Student, earlier we have learned the component of the soil. Means the soil is having what things in it. Okay, the soil what things they are containing most commonly. So that we have learned, that is component of the soil. Today we are going to learn the horizons of the soil. Horizons means layer. Okay. The layer of the soil, like that if we are cutting this pen into 3 layers, this is one layer, second layer, third layer, that is the layer of the soil. Means if you will go on the field, trees growing over there, flowers is there, and then you will start digging, you will start drilling it. Okay, then you will find there are different layers. As you will go down, you will find. As you will go down in the field by drilling, okay, by digging, you will find the size of the stone is also different. As you will go down and more down you will go, then there will be big rock. Sometimes there is boring is going on at your house now for water. So in boring also you will see that first of all sand particles will come out. Then after that they are drilling the stones only, and then after that big rock they are drilling, and from there they are taking out water. So we will see that most commonly the soil is having 3 layers. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the layer of the soil, that is only known as horizon of the soil. So don't be confused, okay, in between the component of the soil and horizon of the soil. Horizon of the soil is the layer of the soil. Okay, means I have taken this piece of land. This is one piece of the land. It is a field, trees growing upside, and we can able to see only the topmost layer of the soil. This we can see now, but inside what is there we can't able to see. Okay, what is inside we can't able to see. After drilling only we can get what is inside of the soil. So today we are going to learn the layer only, okay, what is inside and inside in the soil. And component means the things that soil contains, different things what soil is having. Soil is having air, soil is having water in it, soil is having humus in it, soil is having big pebbles, and then sand also, then clay also. These are the component of the soil, what soil is having, what is the soil is mixture of. Okay, the topsoil only we are taking, and what the soil is the mixture of. We are not taking this subsoil and bedrock. But now we are going to discuss the horizon of the soil. So first of all, soil has different layers. Most of the soil have 3 layers. Okay, most of the soil. These 3 main layers they are having. Okay, first of all topsoil, then subsoil, then bedrock or terrace rock, whatever you can see, bedrock it is. Okay, first of all you can see that trees are growing on the topsoil. Okay, so what are the topsoil? The uppermost layer called topsoil. Okay, this uppermost layer which we can able to see, that is only known as topsoil. And this soil consists of loose soil with the root of plants and grass in it. Plants grow well in topsoil. So plants grow on a topsoil only. Okay. So next is subsoil. Below this topsoil there is a next layer of the soil. This is the next layer. Okay. This next layer is known as subsoil. Okay. Here in the subsoil, the closely packed layer of the soil containing rock pieces under the topsoil and is called subsoil. It is harder than topsoil. It is loosely packed sand particles, but it is harder. Okay, very compact, very hard. And just below of the topsoil, it is found that it is known as subsoil. Sub means below. Okay. Top means above and sub means below. So by the name only you can understand, the topmost layer is known as topsoil and the next layer below the topsoil is known as subsoil. Subsoil is consists of the harder rocks. It is compact. Okay. And below the subsoil, there will found next layer that is known as bedrock. Here, big boulder you can see. Big rock is there. So, as you will dug the land further, a layer of the hard rock is reached below the subsoil, and this is known as bedrock. And this, all the layer we can able to find by digging it also, only digging it. Okay, when we are digging it and removing the sand out and out and out and out, then we are going inside. Okay, hole I had made here. Drilling we have done here. So then only we have find that they are having these three main layer. Okay, all the soil is having these three main layer. First of all, topsoil, and after that next layer they will find that is subsoil, and then at last that is the bedrock. Okay. So topsoil is the loosely packed sand particles, and the trees and plants can grow well in a topsoil. Next layer is the subsoil, means below the topsoil it is the subsoil, and it is very harder than the topsoil. And below the subsoil there is a bedrock where the hard rocks found. Okay. So draw this horizon of soil in your copy neatly. Well labeled diagram of this horizon of soil. Draw in your copy neatly. Thank you children. Have a nice day.